There are a few things you'll need to do before we can begin the firmware update process for your scanner. First, you'll need to install TerraTerm. You need to make sure you're running version 4.67 or the update will not work. You also need to extract the USB driver and the firmware.bin file. To start, first you're going to plug your scanner into the PC with the included micro USB cable. Once it's plugged in, you're going to hold the down arrow on the side and the scan button. And then on the screen, you'll see waiting for firmware download. Now on your computer, we're going to go ahead and open up the TerraTerm software. Once the TerraTerm is opened, you'll need to find out what COM port the device is connected to. In order to do that, you can open up the Windows Device Manager. And if you expand the ports section, you'll see USB serial device. Mine here is COM4. Yours may be different. So we're going to set serial COM4 in TerraTerm and then hit OK. If the connection is working, you'll see MS916 or 926 bootloader going across the screen. Now, before this, you may need to install the driver manually. If you're using Windows 10, the driver should be installed automatically. Once you have this screen here, we're going to go File, Transfer, Y-Modem, Send. And then we're going to select the firmware.bin file. The update should be pretty quick. Once that's done, this is what you'll see on the screen. Firmware updated. This is version S.11. And then the scanner will reboot. And you'll be back at the scan screen once the update is done. And that's all there is to the update.